Myself Dr. N.Amuthan, working as a professor at AMC Engineering College, Bengaluru. I am a recipient of Alibaba Cloud Most Valuable Professional (MVP) award. I am a results-oriented professional with strong problem-solving skills, along with a quick, flexible assessment of situations and implementation of decisions with expertise in developing ideas for improving the learning environment, teaching and assessment and feedback methods. Dexterous in setting and creating formative and summative assignments and assessments in accordance with procedures and policies. Participated in collaborative research projects as appropriate to the discipline, as well as identified sources towards funding for research programs. I have a penchant for renewable energy and contributed to the establishment of a hybrid system. My area of research is also focused on power electronics, energy conservation, auditing, and requiring knowledge of the cloud for the national level integration. Alibaba Cloud's new machine learning platform features. This video discusses the new features and capabilities of PAI, Alibaba Cloud's machine learning platform. The initial prototype of PAI was PAI Studio, a visual modeling experiment platform built around data resources and a variety of computing frameworks. Users may easily set up experiments by dragging and dropping components in PAI Studio. In addition, PAL has a built-in Kunpeng Ultra. Initially, Pi Studio was designed as an algorithm platform for intermediate algorithm engineers. With the visual modeling capability of Studio, PAI supports businesses with capabilities such as recommendation systems, financial risk control, disease prediction, and news classification. In addition to one-click deployment, the Pi EAS model online service provides features such as versioning. Pi DSW has a built-in Jupyter development environment, inherits the optimized TensorFlow. Compared with PAI Studio, Pi DSW provides more customization control and is therefore suitable for senior algorithm engineers with a more diverse algorithm background. To this end, PAI has launched the Smart Eco Market module that allows users to look for solutions, such as models, algorithms, or applications, to their business problems on the marketplace to quickly acquire capability. On the other hand, developers or companies with the corresponding technologies utilize the marketplace to publish and sell products, receive economic returns, and improve brand awareness. First, custom algorithm upload is compatible with the Spark ecosystem and supports the Spark and PySpark frameworks. To reduce the effort on publication, custom algorithm upload is designed to make publications simpler and faster, allowing algorithms to be published in minutes. In Pi, users upload algorithm packages. Smart Eco Market is a Taobao-like platform for big data and artificial intelligence (AI) technologies. DT+'s Smart Eco Market connects and benefits both sides by matching one side. The other method is to choose an independent software vendor (IST) with industry expertise to build different models that are deployed in actual business to meet customers' needs. In this context, DT+'s Smart Eco Market provides customers with a new option that helps balance manpower and financial investment. DT+'s Smart Eco Market has 4 sub-modules. In the Marketplace module, customers buy and sell big data products. The Training module provides tutorials and case studies for the use of platforms related to the marketplace. In the Forum module, big data users and enthusiasts can communicate with each other to learn cutting-edge technologies and knowledge. Sellers can also publish algorithm products in the marketplace. AutoML automatic parameter tuning is a core function of PAI Studio. Pi Studio allows you to perform modeling in a visualized manner. On the configuration page of automatic parameter tuning, we can select a data splitting ratio, with a part of the split data for model training and the remaining for model evaluation. After the preceding configurations are completed, a model is generated automatically. The automatic parameter tuning page provides the mean absolute error (ME) selection criteria which sort the models based on model quality. Pi Auto Learning is one of the latest functionalities provided by PAI. Pi Auto Learning, on the other hand, is a beginner tool that meets the experiment setup requirements of junior or entry-level algorithm engineers. With a powerful transfer learning framework, Pi Auto Learning can perform effective learning on a small amount of data with uncompromised learning and training results. Auto Learning provides an all-in-one solution that covers the entire learning process from data tagging and model training to model deployment. Generally, you can train a model to achieve. Another option on the training startup page is incremental learning, which indicates whether to continue training based on the existing model. Model deployment is part of the all-in-one solution provided by Auto Learning. To apply the verified model to production, visit the official page for Alibaba Cloud Machine Learning Platform for AI Pi to learn more. Thank you for listening and learning. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for my YouTube channel Dr.N.Sivakumar Mathematics for more videos on time.